Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, September 17, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about stopping shiny object syndrome and building real wealth with silver. But before I get started, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now. Been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, shiny object syndrome. I'm sure that most of you watching this are either experiencing this now or have at some point in your work from home network marketing career, okay? It's very typical for people to go and jump from program to program to program and never make any money. And I think the reason people do this is simply because people expect instant gratification. They're looking for that quick sale. They're looking to make money right out of the gate, and they don't have the patience or the long-term mindset to build a true mailbox money empire. So they hop from program to program. I did this the first 10 years that I was involved in this industry. All right, I would go join a program, maybe make a little money here and there. But then as soon as the new program came out, I jumped onto that, and I would do the same thing. Make a little bit of money, never be satisfied, never stuck with a program long enough to make anything to write home about. And I would just consistently jump from program to program to program to program to program to program to program. All right? And it wasn't until I finally said enough is enough, and I committed to one program, and I focused on that one program, that I started having true success. And when I say true success, I mean I got to a point where I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job and focus solely on my businesses, working for myself. And I've been doing this now since 2018. And the great thing about this is that anybody can do this. You just have to get rid of the shiny object syndrome and focus on one opportunity. And stop jumping from program to program to program. Now, if you get to a point where you're making enough money that you're satisfied with an opportunity and it's a consistent residual income, $500, $1,000, $2,000, whatever it is, then I recommend people, if they want to go and add another additional income stream. But if you're really focused on getting rid of your 9-to-5 job and working for yourself, you want to stick with a program until you're earning what you're earning at your current job consistently every month, right? So what I have found out of all the years that I've been doing this is that there's a lot of great companies out there. A lot of them have great products. A lot of them have great services. But Quicksilver is my all-time favorite now. Simply because the company allows you to set up an auto wealth delivery. So you get a shipment of silver and or gold every 30 days delivered right to your doorstep. And by doing this, you're building your investment portfolio. You're building true wealth because you're trading your fiat currency, your paper money backed by nothing, for something that has real value and something that is going to continue to go up in value. All right, we're actually, right before this call, about half hour ago, I was checking the silver prices, and they were just over $42. But yesterday they went over $43. And I know that we're expecting some rate cuts here from the feds sometime today. And I think that's going to support an increase in the silver price. So, and I'm not an expert in silver or anything like that. I'm just going by what, I'm hearing and watching from the people who are experts. So I think that silver is going to continue to go up. I think it's going to be a real solid investment no matter how you look at it, okay? You're getting something that's tangible, something that has real value, something that there's a limited supply of, all right? And we know how demand and supply work. Silver is used in everything nowadays. You know, electronics, the medical field, water filtration systems, solar, electric vehicle batteries. You know, there's lots of uses for it, and the demand for it is super high. Okay, and we know that because there's a limited supply of it, because the government can't reprint silver, it drives the prices up. And I think that these rate cuts are going to support that. And you know, but we'll see later on today. I might have to do a live about that later tonight. But with silver, I mean, you're getting something of real value that if, in case anything ever happens in this country with the economy, or, you know, the dollar bill crashes, which it's very close to doing that right now, you're going to have something that you can use to barter with, to get essentials that you need to help you and your family strive through challenging times, okay? And you can pass it down. I mean, it's generational. When my father passed away, he had a huge coin collection. My sisters didn't want anything to do with the coins. They're not into that. So my dad left me his coins, all right? So you can pass them down generation to generation. And I just think that it's a real solid return on your investment that you're going to get if you stack silver, all right? It's long-term. Again, it's long-term. But I think over time, it's going to be well worth stacking silver. So, in my experience, I've chased all the shiny object programs out there. I've heard all the rhetoric about this being the best program, that being the best program, join this, join that. I've done it. I wasted 10, I'm not going to say wasted because I learned a lot in those 10 years, but for 10 solid years, I would jump from program to program to program, and I would make just enough money to keep me in the game, all right? So that I never lost interest or quit. But I can tell you that once you find, you know, if you want to be successful and you want to quit your job and you want to be able to do what you want, when you want, for as long as you want, not worry about cash flow, you have to stop the shiny object syndrome and focus on one opportunity, whatever that is, whatever resonates with you, and focus on that and build it out and have the long-term mindset, knowing that you're not going to get rich overnight. It's going to take work. But that work pays off, and it's worth it. It's worth all your time and effort spent. Okay, I can say that firsthand. And with Quicksilver, what I love about it is that you're getting something of value, right? You're building your investment portfolio. You're not getting a potion or a lotion or a pill or anything like that. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but you're getting something that's real tangible, a real tangible asset. And then you have the opportunity to go and share it with other people and get paid up to 7 different ways. So to me, it's a no-brainer, you know? And success isn't really about chasing everything. It's just about finding that one opportunity that resonates with you and sticking with it until you get to where you want to be. And that's what I've done, you know? And with Quicksilver, you can build something real. It's a real business. It's been around since 2019. The owners are super transparent. It's not going anywhere, and it has real value to it, okay? So that's just my advice, you know? You want to find people who are having success in the field that it is you want to have success in, or doing what, you know, find somebody who's doing what it is that you want to be doing, and then you want to copy them. Right? That's all it is. So if you want to be successful in network marketing, if you want to be successful in, you know, and have your own business and work for yourself and not worry about having a time card that you have to punch every day in and out and be told when you can have lunch and when you can go on vacation, and you just want to be free from all that, check out Quicksilver, all right? I'm not guaranteeing that you're going to make any money because it's totally dependent on your work ethic. But check it out, and just for checking it out, the company will send you a free silver bar to help you on your stacking journey. You just pay a nominal shipping fee. It's $2.74 if you're in the U.S. And then we are global. We're in 29 different countries, and I believe it's $3.74 to ship it internationally. But they will send you a silver bar to help you on your stacking journey, okay? So go to freesilverbar.com, check it out, reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out. And stop the shiny object syndrome. Stop chasing those shiny objects, all right? Focus on one solid opportunity and I guarantee you'll get results if you show up every day, stay consistent, put in the work, and commit to building your business and get rid of that jump to program mentality. All right, you'll have success. So with that being said, I appreciate each and every one of you. If you found value in this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And feel free to share this. You might know somebody who could hear this message. Feel free to share my videos. I appreciate all that. It helps me out a lot, and I appreciate each and every one of you. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.